Dhyanu, धीमे 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 stop. आओ थोड़ी कर रहा है यार. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today is a special video, day in life of my kids. I wanted to make a video exclusively for the day in life of Kushang, but I've realized most part of Kushang's day is surrounded by his sister. So you'll see a lot of Dhyani as well. However, I've already made a dedicated video on Dhyani's daily routine. So I'll be showing you primarily Kushang's routine, that is his sleep schedule, meal, playtime, etc. in this one. If you're interested in Dhyani's day in life video, I'll link it in the description box below and somewhere up here on the cards too. So don't forget to watch that too. So these days, Kushank wakes up around 7:30 a.m. Thanks to the daylight savings, we get to sleep an extra hour. I usually wake up a little earlier than him so that I can prep for the breakfast, as kids are super duper hungry when they wake up, and I try and make fresh breakfast every morning for them. So I have to prepare and be ahead of them. I have a dedicated video on food recipes and ideas for 7 to 12 months old baby, in which I have shown many recipes for different grains, wheat, semolina, so fruits and veggies. So if you're interested, check it out. I'll link it in the description box. So after breakfast, I usually change their clothes. I prefer bathing Dhyani in the morning so that in afternoon, I only have one baby to deal with. Otherwise, it feels like so much work is outstanding and I can't mentally relax. Does it happen to you guys that unless all chores are not done, you just don't feel mentally relaxed? Please let me know in the comment section below that I am not the only one dealing with this situation. So after they both are ready, it's playtime for them. Today it's raining, so we are playing inside. Otherwise, usually it's outside, at least for 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, what that?
ધ્યાન શું જોઈએ તો આખી A to Z બોલી દે આજે તો આપી દઈશું તને
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
હા તો 1 2 3 2 ABCD બોલતી હતી હું તો ABCD ગાતે
B, C, D, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
ઓલો તું કયું એકવાર ગીત ગાતી હતી હા બેસ 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 નાની તેરી મોરની ગાતો પછી કશું નહીં. It's already 9:30 a.m. right now and it's time for Kushang's first nap. He still takes 3 naps a day, morning, afternoon and evening. Morning and evening naps are around an hour, maybe a little less, and afternoon nap is the longest, which is an hour and a half usually, maybe because I am next to him. Kushang sleeps in his swing for morning and evening naps. We swing him so that he is asleep for a little longer. Otherwise, he would be just awake in less than 30 minutes and he would be cranky and unsettled. So we prefer to swing him to extend his sleep just a little bit longer. Kushank is napping, I'm getting lunch ready. This is the time Dhyani and I chat on one-on-one basis. I make her sit on her high chair and we chat. She plays with Roti doll or watches rhymes and we sing together and do all sorts of fun stuff. Today is Saturday, so Dhyani is coloring with her daddy, so I can have a little quiet cooking time. I so need some quiet time of my own sometimes. I remember when I was a kid and my mom used to keep Mon Vrat for an hour or so, and we used to understand that no matter what, we can't get her to speak in that quiet time. I can totally relate to her now. I feel like having quiet, peaceful time of my own, just me and my soul. But that is hard to find with two little munchkins. So I love when my husband is home. I feel so relaxed as I know he can very well keep kids occupied and entertained while I am finishing chores and I do not have to worry about them. Today for kids lunch I am making methi potato pulao and they will be having this with yogurt. Dhyani loves playing with dough and pretend to make rotis. She always want to make rotis before we do. So she will be coming soon for her roti making session. તો શું કરે છે?
રોટલી તારા પાસે બનાવે છે.
મારા માટે રે વાહ, હું તો ખુશ ખુશ થઈ ગઈ. મને તો ડેડી માટે કહેશે.
દાદી પાને
કોના માટે બનાવે છે?
દાદી માટે.
કેમ અત્યારે તો મારા માટે હતી ને?
આ ઓલા લોટને બનાવી લીધી.
બતા તો તારી રોટલી.
નાની નાની
નાની નાની ધ્યાની જેવી. ચલો હવે બા બેસે અહીંયા. જો આપણને મોડું થાય છે ધ્યાની આજે. When Kushang wakes up around 11:30 a.m., I'll feed him and then put him in his walker. He sits on it, but he is not quite enjoying it yet. But if Dhyani is around or in front of him, he plays with her so much. He gets excited and would run after her. Otherwise, he is a mastram. He would sit and relax on his walker. But he's only 8 months, so I can't expect a lot from him, and we have a lot of time to teach him. After kids have played and they are tired, around 11:45 we eat lunch. I know it's early, but if we eat any later than this, then literally we run late for kids nap time, and especially Kushang would start crying. So 11:45 is our lunch time. We finish by 12. By 12:30 we clean the kitchen, then I rush to give Kushang a oil massage and bathe him, and then by 1 p.m. he is ready for his nap. I will try and keep him on the bed for a couple of minutes just so that he is a little more tired, or I can extend another 15 minutes, but he would just grab his blanket and cuddle it and showing signs to sleep. And now it's time to sleep. Feels like a marathon, and then I finally get some downtime while both kids are asleep, and I really wait for this afternoon time when Dhyani is sleeping, when Kushang is sleeping, and I can have some of my own time. And by this time, honestly, I'm so tired that I take a nap as well. Sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes an hour. If I take a little longer than 30 minutes, then that eats up in my editing time, which is why I'm strictly sticking to one video a week, because I cannot do any more than this. But I promise I will do more in future as and when kids grow. And Dhyani is going to start daycare soon, so probably I'll get a little bit of more time, and I'll definitely try and do more. Dhyana, tu kale kya jawani છે?
ખેતરમાં.
ખેતરમાં કયા ખેતરમાં? દેખેરમાં
ખેતરમાં.
Around 4 p.m. after kids have had little snack, which is usually fruit for Kushang, and then Dhyani would eat say khakra and cheese or something like that, we will go outside and play in our front yard. I go in and out and prep for dinner. Dhyanu, ધીમે stop. આવું થોડી કરાય યાર. આઈ જા અહીંયા ઊભી થઈને વાત કર ખુશલુતી. કર વાલી કર ભૈલાને. ફરીથી એને ટોપી પહેરાવ તો તારી. નીચે પડી ગઈ જો. क्या પહેરાઈ પણ તે હરકી પહેરો. હા તો રહેવા દે. ઓ ખુશબુ જો. Kushang takes his evening nap around 6 p.m. Now, this is the shortest nap. Usually, it's like 30 to 40 minutes, but we do anyway, swing him for to extend his sleep to an hour, and then he will have dinner at 7:30 p.m., following by his bedtime routine, which starts at 8 p.m. I don't do much for bedtime routine, but I freshen him up, change him into his jammies, and by 8:30 he already shows signs of sleep. So around 8:45 I take him into the bedroom, and by 9 p.m. he is fast asleep. So that's my baby boy's 8 months full day routine. I am going to include a cute clip of Dhyani towards the end of the video in which she is singing. She is playing some music instruments, not one, but trying to multitask, and it's such a cute and funny video. So I hope you enjoy that, and I will conclude my video here. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and wonderful Diwali. I have some videos planned for Diwali. I hope I can stick to my schedule and give you some nice Diwali vlog. So I'll see you in the next one, and bye for now.
चल तू पिपड़ो का लड्डू ढोल वगाड़ेला आहे બધું તું કરીશ
Bebe, hello, वगाड़ो
गासे कौन?
गासे कौन जीता हो
माताजी ने गरबा गाओ
Patadino talato. Patadino tatayo.
मारने के बाद कहूँ
अरे मत बांधने का बोल रहा है પોતાનું બનાવે છે
अरे माताजी माताजी